urgent video for Holochain. Very urgent video for Holochain holder, because the Holochain is going very fastly going down, my friend. You can see here this time the Holochain result is very badly falls down, my friend. And what's my prediction to upcoming days? They're going up or they falls down. Everything in this video is going very special. And what's the new target of CEO of Holochain? Exactly, very highest target, but I can't believe it. How is it possible they falls down and the CEO of Holochain as targeting now to they can hit this target? Absolutely they hit it. But my friends, if you can see here, if you don't know about this today going like this, why they going out, what's the reason, and then you automatically everyone gets selling, everyone starting selling, absolutely starting selling. So therefore, my friend, I explain you to please don't sell it, okay, and also share my opinion in this video. Let's get started the price prediction, my friend, of Holochain. But first of all, come to here the market, my friend. This time, if you can see here the crypto market cap, Bitcoin as one of the fastest cryptocurrency and the top coin, you can see here also falls down. So how you say to Holochain starting moving up? Tell me now. This time Ethereum is also falls down. Binance is also, XRP is also down. Theater is one of the unique to they going up at 0.38%. This is gone up, my friend. This is very not a high gen. So my friend, all coin you can see here falls badly down. But my friend, FVC, my friend, the Holochain result, exactly the Holochain is one of them, my friends. So they falls down. So let's see, my friends, to what's the prediction of coming days. They going up, they falls down more. Absolutely, why they falls down, my friend? Oh my goodness! This time, if you can see here, the Holochain starting moving up. So congratulations, my friend, all of you, congratulations. This time Holochain is moving up, this time 1.78%. This is just very high jump, my friend, for Holochain, because in the last 1 week or 2 weeks at the first, they are very badly fell. They're slowly gone down, but they are completely fell down, my friend. This time you can see the price. Absolutely, the CEO is right, my friend. He tell us to they go up in the coming days. Therefore, I make this video urgently. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend, for latest news and updates. Please, this channel provide you very latest update. My friend, you are my friend, okay? Tell me if you are my friend. Okay, this time if you can see your 0.01134 US dollar as the latest price, my friend. What you say? Can they hit 0.1 US dollar? Oh my goodness, I tell you the target, my friend, to the CEO. What's the target, my friend? But first of all, I want to share you my opinion, my friend. Please hold it, okay? I request you to please hold it. Remember, this is not a financial advising video, my friend. If you want to invest in any cryptocurrency, please research first. This is good for you, my friend. Twitter research, Google research, okay, and any official website research personally, okay? So thanks for watching, please, friend. Okay, come to the point. The CEO Holochain target as, my friend, 0.5 US dollar. What do you say? This is mad. Absolutely, my friend, I think this is bad, because 0.5 US dollar, this is not a small target. Exactly, this is very high target. But if you can see here, they are completely falls down in the first day. But my friend, I think the CEO is sometimes right also, because they, as you can see, this is very quick jump, my friend. If they're starting this type quick jump, exactly they can hit it. This is not possible, my friend, impossible. So I hope they can hit it. But let's see to what's going on in upcoming days. I am updating you. You just click the red button, okay, my brother? Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.